my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Anyway, welcome. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about my vision board story. My name is Stephanie Obi, and I'm the author of the book, Knowledge is the New Gold. I'm sure you've heard about vision boards a lot. Like it's almost like becoming like a buzzword. Vision board, vision board, vision board. You've probably heard about it. But you know, it's one thing to hear about it. It's one thing to say, I'm gonna do it. It's another thing to actually do it. So this video is just to encourage you to actually do it. And I'm going to share 2 vision board testimonies. Testimony. Sorry, let's be focused. All right. So the first time I did a vision board, I don't even know if I knew what I was doing. Maybe I did. I can't remember now. Maybe I watched it, you know, online or somewhere. Maybe I did, but I know that I did a vision board. This was when I wanted to get a job. So I was just out of school, and I was thinking, okay, what do I do in my life now? And I decided to work in a multinational company. Yes, that was my dream then. So I went to the website of this company. There's a section where they talk about their employees. I went to that section. I printed out a page that one of the entrepreneurs their employees was talking about their profile. I cancelled the person's name, wrote my name, cancelled the person's school, wrote my school. I just made it as if it was me that they were talking about. I put my my picture to cover the person's face, and then I pasted my sheet of paper on a board, and I kept it in my room. I forgot about it. It wasn't until my family was moving out of that house that I realized that I got a job in that company. I worked there for 18 months. I left and went to business school. I came back to our home. I worked again for another 18 months before I found my vision board again. And I saw that this vision board, by this time, it was old. The paper had torn. You know, it was just rough. But I realized, I was like, oh my God, my vision came to pass. And I completely forgot, you know, and that was my one and only time of doing a vision board. I did not repeat it. I didn't know that that was it was such a big deal. But I realized that I thought about what I wanted. I made a picture. I kept it in my room. I used to look at it over and over again. That vision came to pass. But I was not replicating that system. And so I said, you know what? I'm going to get into the habit of visualizing what I want, pasting it on a board, and looking at it over and over again until I achieve it. So I started doing vision boards again. I'm happy to say that many of the things on my vision boards have been coming to pass. But another one there's one I want to talk about that was quite public, and I'm going to share with you. So 3 years ago, I went for a Wimbiz conference, and I said to myself, I want to be a speaker at Wimbiz. So when the Wimbiz conference had ended and everybody had gone home, I waited behind, and I went on the stage. I sat down there and I asked my friend to take me a picture. I was too embarrassed to do this where other people were, so I had to wait until the hall was empty. And then I sat down and I asked my friend to take me a picture. She took me a picture, and I said, yes, one day I'm going to speak at this platform. One day I'm going to speak at this platform. I'm going to be the kind of person that they invite to speak at this platform. 3 years later, I was invited to speak at Wimbiz, and I can't explain to you how I felt. Like I speak at so many platforms, but this one was so profound for me because it was a dream that I had. I had this dream. I had a picture that I was looking at. I visualized it. I imagined myself speaking. And 3 years later, it came to pass. And what this has taught me is that your dreams are valid. Like, I know we hear this all the time. I know we hear it. There's nothing that I want to say that is new that you have not heard. You've probably heard it. But I'm just going to say it again, that your dreams are valid, but you have to dream. You have to dream. Probably this quote that I used to hear all the time. I went to Covenant University, and the chancellor is Bishop David Oyedepo. He used to say this thing all the time. You cannot feature in a future you have not pictured. Chey! When he says it like this, we'll just shout, deep! But it's the truth. You cannot feature in a future you have not pictured. And we are so used to just moving, activity, running up and down, hustling and bustling, you know, on the move. But if you can take some time off to just be calm and ask yourself, what do I want? What would blow my mind if I achieve? What would I really like? What is my wildest dream? Allow yourself to go on that journey, and then look for pictures that represent this thing that you want, and you paste it on a board, and you look at it every day. I'm looking at my vision board. And you look at it every day, and like, I'm gonna get you. I'm coming for you. I'm coming. You look at it and you smile. I'm telling you, you'll be amazed when this thing actually happens. I know that there's a science behind it. I can't really explain the science, but I know that your mind helps you to walk towards the thing that you want. All right? Your mind helps you to walk towards what you want. The universe, the environment, God, like whoever you believe in. I believe in God, Jesus Christ. I know that He's helping me to achieve the things that I want. But you first of all have to desire. You have to say what you want. You have to open your mouth. you have to dream. You have to dream. You have to dream. You have to dream. If you're too embarrassed to share your dreams with other people, don't share it. Dream by yourself. Dream by yourself, but please have a dream. Please have a dream and take out time to create a vision board. Take out time to write confessions. Take out time to picture what you really like. It's your life. It's your life. It's your life. I hope that this helped, and I hope that this encourages you to actually create a vision board. I can remember that one time I and my friends came together and we had a vision board party. So we just bought so many magazines, and we cut out what we wanted. We created our vision boards together. So it was really fun. I did it with friends, you know, one time. It was really nice. So you can do that too. Get some friends together. You guys, you know, play music, dance, laugh, gist, and then create your boards together. All right? Not friends that will be laughing at you. Eh? You want private jet? Hey, who dash you? Not that kind of friends. So friends will be like, you want private jet? Come on, give me 5. Me too, I want private jet. Those kind of friends. Friends that will encourage you, not laugh at your dreams. All right? And do one together this period. Okay? Hope it helped. If you do one, please let me know. You can even send me a picture on Instagram. My handle is @StephObi. I really love to see it. I want you to be bold, go out there, dream your wildest dream, and work towards it. I know you're going to get it when you work towards it. And let's crush big goals together. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you know anybody who should watch the video, to share with them. Encourage my YouTube channel. Encourage me. Encourage me. Make a comment. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. What else? And if you want free resources, just check below this video. I will have a free resource for you. Enter your name and email address, download it, and let me know if it helps you. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful for you. I hope to see you same place, same time, next week on this YouTube channel.